Hello everyone, I'm Dustin Ewing, owner and CEO of Kentucky Dream Homes. Today we are here at our Owensboro location, taking a tour of our Briarritz. As you enter, notice the beautifully crafted interior. As we come into the living room, we have a real wood-burning fireplace, upgraded crown molding and baseboard, full drywall archways, beautiful entertainment center, ceiling fan, nice wood laminate flooring, lots and lots of good room. Some nice croft windows there for extra energy efficiency. And as we walk around the living room, we come into our beautiful kitchen area. As you can see, the living room is full of space. And you can choose all of your own colors, your cabinet colors, your flooring colors, your wall paint. We have 9-foot ceilings in this home. There's our beautiful kitchen. As we walk around, you can see the nice big island with plenty of functionality there in the kitchen. Lots and lots of cabinet space. Some nice upgraded appliances to go along with it. Here's your office area. Really nice space for office. You've also got some extra options there too. You can do a mud room and walk into a garage from this area. Got a nice pantry in there as well for extra storage space. And boy, does it have a lot of room. This home is just loaded with options and plenty of space and storage and wide open areas. All of your doors and hinges are all upgraded. There's your beautiful island. Incredible kitchen. Dining area. Got the wood beams there in the dining room as well. Again, you can choose your own colors. You can choose your own countertops as well as flooring options. A lot of different flooring options. You can do laminate, carpet, hardwood flooring, all kinds of flooring. There's another little closet there, coat closet. Walking in here to the master bedroom. Huge master bedroom. Beautiful tray ceiling. Nice ceiling fan. Lots and lots of space here in this bedroom. Nice French doors going into the bathroom as we walk around. Huge walk-in closet. Just absolutely huge. And premium shelving comes standard in this model as well. Lots of space for clothes and shoes and extra storage, whatever you want to put in there. The camera doesn't do this one justice. It is much bigger in real life. And then walking into the master bathroom, connected to the master suite. We have again nice storage area right here on the left. Plenty of room for towels and miscellaneous storage for your bathroom. Beautiful, huge tub with an incredible tile job here. These guys just do an incredible job. And the shower. What a shower. Look at this thing. Lots of space in here as well. Double shower head. Got your bench seat in there. Master bathroom continues on here. We got another shot of the tub. Dual sinks. And the French doors going back into the master bedroom. As we walk back through the master bedroom again. back out into the living room. Again, some nice archways and beautiful trim. Premium door handles on your interior doors as well. More storage space here in the coat closet. You really appreciate those shelves too once you see how great those shelving bars are there. They're really heavy duty. Walking down through the hall now. There is your huge utility room. I mean, you've really got some space in here. Lots of functionality. Got another closet. Got more space over here. Nice sink. You've got a huge electrical panel in there with all 12 gauge wiring. As we come into the guest bedroom area, or guest bathroom, I'm sorry, right off the guest bedroom area. This model is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is optional to have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath in this very home. Stretched a little bit. Your attic access. Walking back around into the other guest bedroom. This room's a little bit larger. Both have nice big walk-in closets. And walk back out into the living room again here. Give you another good shot of the living room from a little different angle. Also got 2x6 exterior walls, Tech Shield roof decking, spruce lumber. It's Energy Star rated, actually above Energy Star standards. Croft windows, real wood burning fireplace, upgraded crown moldings, baseboards, 9-foot ceilings, 12 gauge copper wire with a huge panel box, attic access, beautiful kitchen. Look at all that cabinet space we've got. Incredible. Beautiful home. The fit and finish on this thing is just really, really nice. Great appliance package as well. This kitchen's really, really functional. Smooth top range, and then back out to the outside. So feel free to visit us online, KentuckyDreamHomes.com, or come by and walk through some of our incredible homes. Kentucky Dream Homes is family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family.